Okay, on this video, I'll explain, is there a minimum deposit on Binance? What is it? How can you cope with it? And what's the minimum you can trade with on Binance on a particular coin? Before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Each like helps out the channel a lot. We're actually uploading over 20 of these videos every single day for your value. So subscribing, you will know a lot of crypto stuff from beginner to advanced, from basic things on how to buy particular coins to trading strategies explained beginner friendly. So if you're new to Binance, just sign up for Binance with the link in the description down below and download the app. Um, it's the trading platform with the lowest amount of fees, and no wonder you're wondering what's the minimum deposit for it. And there is no minimum deposit. That's the good thing. I actually use Binance to pay my suppliers. I have an e-commerce business, and I take even small transactions like $5 or something, if the fee is not significant, within my Binance address. But the thing is, even though you can just deposit $1 or $2, the minimum you can trade with is $10 on spot. If you want to trade futures or margin trade, you gotta switch to a pro account, which just means you switch like this from the app, and now you can trade on futures and margin trading, which is really risky, and you should definitely do your own due diligence before starting that, as this video is no financial advice. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.